And I'm a drummer, evolution to stay in your opposition to a proposition. Have a man, hand, magician, have a politician. Hold the mic like ammunition. If a vision is as simple as light, ain't no reason we should be in a fight. A demolition, get the book, get to see what you like. Corporation compositions already written by themselves. And it's for the people not believing in gosh. Heck is for those who don't believe in gosh. Why are bumper stickers only this long anyway? Bumpers are much longer. I'm gonna put a bumper sticker out that's the entire first verse of this song. Except for the last line, because someone else already knew it. Good job! You know my way, give me that high five. Good time, you know what I know, give me that go-go. Good time, look back again, give me that high ten. You're the best definition of good intention. But will you answer the calling? You do not know who is calling. I guess the whole point of it all is everything I know in it. I'm trying to keep where the James is, loving the music and playing, thinking that they sound insane. Can you feel me? Make it rain. It's not coming in this life, chasing up a wrist love. Here is all the journey is done. And tell you who can meet at this stop. I bet you know what you're getting inside. My best friends are hitting on my sister, trying to tell her that they still miss her, cause she already got herself a misery. Besides, there's girls don't wanna diss her. We did it deep, and I say, good job. You know what way, give me that high five. Good time, you know when I go, give me that go-go. Good guy, yeah, give me that high ten. You're the best definition of good versus evil. You also have doubts, and that's okay. You see, it was never my intention for this song to be heard by the public anyway. The song was a happy accident. I play a weekly songwriting game online with a bunch of nerds, and every week I have to turn a word or a phrase into a song. And the week that I wrote this song, the phrase was "blind man's bike." But at the same time, I had also read a phrase that said, volition is a dynamo. Paramahansa Yogananda said that. And I said, okay, with my own volition, I'm gonna stay seated till this song is written. And I'm gonna keep the pen going, keep the song growing, keep the words flowing, keep the breath blowing, and so on, and so on, and so on. And so this irregular song was born just because I just wanted to keep writing as it happened. And what I was not anticipating was for this song to be born with it 3 very easy dance moves that you can do from a plush Chicago theater seat. Because Paramahansa Yogananda also said, one day you will be in Chicago. And the people will dance. Move number 1, good job, give me the high five. All you gotta do is throw up the high fives. Hey, what's up, high five? You know, like we're on a team, came in second place, good job. On a team, you could just be batting for a cat toy. voices. If you add the neck, you get extra points. Or it's like we're raising the roof like it's 1992. Or it's like we're raising a barn like it's 1892. All right, 3 very easy dance moves that you can do. Now if you're concerned about your body odor, it's okay to do these 3 easy moves a little bit lower. Look around, your friends and neighbors will help you, in case you forget. And if you can't get your arms to function properly, let's see, because your arms wired into your mind. Because see, the arms are connected to the heart, and this is a heart dance. Probably never heard that before. Well, I didn't finish college, but this is a basic biology right here, you guys. Arms, heart, super connected, right? Your arms to function, maybe you've got your arms rewired into your mind, and it's never good to let your mind stop you from having a good time. I do not keep up with statistics, I do not sleep without my missus, I do not eat unless it's fixed with some kind of sweet like a licorice. My home is deep inside the mystics, I'm known to keep digging on existence. I'm hoarding in the heat like a fish stick. My phone, it beeps because I missed it. I do not answer the call if I do not know who is calling. I'm making no sense of it all, so can you witness? I'm only a boy in a story, just a hallucinatory, tripping on all that there is, living in the wilderness, with a tiger spot on my back, living life up a cat. I just wanna relax here and write another song for you, riding off on this blind man's bike. You can say just what you like, nothing can stop you. kitchen.